Hi and welcome in this lesson. Today's lesson is about a new property in CSS. Will help you to organize your content, especially if you have a big content to fit into an area. So keep watching to know what is this property. So this property called Overflow, like I told you, it will make any big content fits its area. Let me see this practically. So we have here a big paragraph like this. So it's a big content. Let me specify a certain width for this paragraph. So let me make width, for example, 200 pixels. Let me make a background color light gray. Let me see. So as you see here, the background color cover the whole paragraph. But consider it's not allowed for us to specify this height to this content. Maybe this division is a header and just we have a certain pixels for the header. So consider this height is equal to, for example, 50 pixels. So as you see now, the background color doesn't cover the whole content. So how we can fix this issue? But to make sense, let we increase this and make it 80. Nice. So 80 pixels, maybe it's just the allowed space or the allowed height that we have to give for the header. So I want the background color to cover the whole paragraph. So I will use overflow. And the first value, which is the default value, is visible. So visible is the default value. And hidden. Let me see what hidden do. So hidden will cut the rest of the paragraph that not cover with the background. And of course we don't want this. So let we make it scroll. Let we see what scroll do. So scroll will give you a scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. So you can see the rest of the content. There is another value which is udo, and this one will remove the horizontal scroll bar. So it will just give you a scroll bar when it's only necessary. So now we need the vertical scroll bar so we can see the whole content. But for example, let me decrease here the width and make it just 50 pixels. So now it gives you a vertical and horizontal scroll bar as you see now, so we can see the content. So udo will just give you the scroll bar when it's only necessary. So when the width was enough to fit the whole content, so it didn't give you a horizontal scroll bar. It just give you a vertical scroll bar. But let we use here scroll. So it will give you both of them by default. But what if I want to remove the vertical or the horizontal scroll bar? Let we make overflow X and make it hidden. So now we want to remove the horizontal scroll bar. Let me see. So now it's been removed. And the same thing if I want to remove the vertical scroll bar. So we can make this. So we can make in Y direction hidden and overflow. But this time X, make it scroll. So just we have a horizontal scroll bar. So that's the purpose of using overflow. You type the content, whatever its size, and make it fits the area that you have for this content using Overflow. So that's everything about Overflow. I hope you understand this lesson well and practice it. Don't forget to show me your progress. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. See you next time.